Are you ready to unlock the secrets of cockatiel care? If you've ever wondered how to keep your feathered friend happy and healthy, you're in the right place. Cockatiels are charming companions, but they come with their own set of needs that can be tricky to navigate. Many new cockatiel owners find themselves asking, "Why is my cockatiel acting so moody?" Or, "What's the best diet for my bird?" You're not alone in this journey, and today we're going to tackle these questions head on. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to share a game-changing tip that can transform your cockatiel's behavior and health. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the amount of information out there about cockatiel care? Maybe you've tried different foods or toys, only to find your bird still seems unhappy. Let me know in the comments what challenges you faced. Cockatiels are social creatures that thrive on interaction and mental stimulation. If they're not getting enough attention or the right diet, they can become stressed or even develop behavioral issues. Understanding their needs is key to a happy cockatiel. Sometimes I think cockatiels are like little feathered comedians. One minute they're singing, the next they're throwing their toys around like they're in a stand-up routine. So, what can you do to ensure your cockatiel is thriving? Let's break it down into a few essential care tips that every owner should know. Tip 1. Diet matters. A balanced diet is crucial. Make sure to provide high-quality pellets, fresh fruits, and veggies. Avoid seeds as a staple, as they can lead to health issues. Tip 2. Social interaction. Cockatiels are flock animals. Spend time talking, playing, and bonding with your bird daily. This helps prevent loneliness and boredom. Tip 3. Enrichment is key. Provide toys that stimulate their minds. Rotate toys regularly to keep things fresh and exciting for your cockatiel. Hang tight, because in just a moment, I'm going to reveal a secret ingredient that can boost your cockatiel's health and happiness like never before. Did you know that cockatiels can learn to mimic sounds and even words? It's true. They're not just pretty faces, they're smart little birds with big personalities. Here's the secret. Adding a small amount of cooked quinoa to their diet a few times a week can provide essential amino acids and nutrients that support their overall health. Just make sure it's plain and unseasoned. Let's recap what we've learned today. We discussed the importance of a balanced diet, social interaction, and mental enrichment for your cockatiel. Plus, I shared the secret ingredient, cooked quinoa, that can enhance their health and happiness. I remember when I first got my cockatiel, Kiwi. I tried everything, but it wasn't until I focused on diet and interaction that I saw a real change in his mood. It was like a light bulb went off. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on keeping your cockatiel happy and healthy. Have any care tips of your own? Share them in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences.